All right, I'm going to tell you a little bit about where I'm staying right here. This is Redworth Hall Hotel, and it's actually gorgeous. It's really cute. It's a 17th century Jacobean manor. It's tucked away in this corner of County Durham. So if you just imagine a huge old house with lots of history, you won't go far wrong. And it's actually got beautiful grounds as well, where you can quite literally just unwind. And it's got everything. It's got really nice rooms. It's got a fairly decent spa. Really nice restaurant, and the food is top notch. We're going to go and eat later on tonight. It's the kind of place where it can feel a bit fancy, but you can still come and chill out here. So whether you're after a getaway, a celebration, or just an excuse to eat cake in a big old house, this is the type of place where you can come and do that. And I'm doing it for my wife's birthday. There's lots of rabbits running around where I am right now. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Ellis here. Now what I want to do with my YouTube channel is I want to do episodes where I give a lot of what I perceive to be wise value, wise wisdom, and that's going to be the core of the channel. But I also want to do these, I don't know, off the cuff. It's like we're sat in a coffee shop and I'm having a chat with you here over a nice cup of steaming hot espresso. So I went and bought one of these the other day because everybody was telling me I needed one. It's actually still in the cling film. Haven't even opened it yet. If you're wondering what the hell it is, it's a vlogging camera by DJI, the company who makes the microphone that I've used for over a year now, which is pretty awesome, to be honest. This is I couldn't do without this for recording myself outside like this, because when the wind is high, strap this to my necklace here or strap it to my t-shirt or whatever, and it records amazing audio quality. So DJI do produce really good stuff, I know that. I also have a drone, a little pocket drone by them. So I've been holding off getting one of these things. It's like a gimbal 4K camera, but everybody and their grandma seems to be using them. So I've kind of jumped ship and thought maybe I need to move away from the iPhone and start using the DJI, the Pocket 3. But if I'm honest with you, the jury's still out. I don't know whether I need it, because all it's going to do is replace the iPhone that I'm recording my YouTube episodes on right now. And the iPhone records pretty decent footage. The microphone clicked into it. This might be surplus to requirements, I don't know. I don't know whether I need to use it. I might send it back. I might open it, I might use it. I don't know. What do you think? Should I swap to using the Pocket 3 vlogging camera? I'll just stick to my iPhone. Send it back, I'll get £447 back. That's how much this thing blooming costs. Now in the world of YouTube, there's a couple of things that you can do. You can produce content like this. This is kind of the vlogging style where it's a little bit more informal, where it's just talking head style videos, or you're outdoors in a hotel or wherever it is. You're in an outdoor attraction, or you're out in nature. You are somewhere out of a studio. And you're out and about, but you're talking, you've got something you want to say to people in a vlogging type of episode. That's what these videos are. The other type of stuff you can do is faceless, where you don't put yourself on the camera. You just produce animated videos, you know, informational style videos, infographics with talking avatars talking for you, somebody saying all the words for you. The new way to do that now is using AI. Everybody seems to be doing faceless YouTube content on AI, and YouTube's getting flooded with it. It got me thinking, don't get me wrong, I'm never going to drop it onto this channel. I will never mix this vlogging style of stuff I do with AI generated content. However, as a trial and to try something, I wondered how difficult or how easy was the process to generate some content. A video fully produced using AI technology about a certain topic that would then form the basis of a brand new YouTube channel where not as much energy goes into it. In fact, having now done the process, I spent an evening 2 nights back creating 3 individual AI full videos, full generated by AI technology. It took me 2 hours of tinkering about to maybe produce these 3 videos. In fact, one of the videos that I produced was a 5-minute long video. It took about 15 minutes, 10 minutes. And even then, it could have been much quicker than that. So I'm going to show you them. I'm going to show you the videos that I actually produced using CapCut. CapCut, if you're familiar with YouTube content creation, is an editing suite. It's very popular, and I think one of the reasons why it's really popular is because it's so easy to get to grips with. You can hit the ground running. You can watch a 15-minute long tutorial on YouTube about how to use CapCut Pro, and you'll be away running. You'll be able to use it, and that's what I did. So for the videos that I do, including this one, I tend to use CapCut because I find it very intuitive. I find it very easy to get the hang of. Now, it wasn't just on CapCut itself. I think recently they've just released an AI video generator, which if you use CapCut, if you go and re-download the latest version of the software, you should see this AI video generation tool directly within the CapCut model, within the CapCut desktop. So anyway, have a look at these 3 videos and let me know what you think. I was thinking of like a new channel called Disney Dork, where I'm just uploading just daily nuggets of Disney-based information. Again, bearing in mind, this Disney one that you're about to watch was literally shot together in 10 minutes. It's a 5-minute long video. I'm not going to show you all of that. I'm just going to show you a bit 10-20 second sequence of it. The second video I did was more about myths and busting myths wide open, conspiracy theories, you know, that type of thing. This particular video is on the whole myth of, do we eat 8 spiders in our lifetime? And the third and final one was a little bit more in tune with the theme of this channel, sort of life advice type stuff, motivational type content aimed at a more mature market. And if you want to have a play with it yourself, I'll put a link in the description here to the tool itself. If you know your way around a computer, you can get to grips with this software very, very easily. So why am I telling you all this? Where I'm going with this is, you can have a YouTube channel. Anybody could have a YouTube channel in 2025. And if you don't want to put your face out there, but you do want to create something, you've got some creative juices flowing within, have a go at it. Do it. You can create videos like this.
Hello everybody, welcome to Disney Dork, where today we're going to be talking about the latest Disney news. And there's lots of things going on right now with Disney parks around the world. But today we've got some really exciting news to share with you all about the brand new Walt Disney Park that is currently being built in Abu Dhabi. That's right. We've got 7 interesting facts that you need to know about this brand new Disney park that will be opening in around 5 years' time.
You've probably heard people say that the average human being swallows 8 spiders a year while they're sleeping. And if you're like me, you've probably spent many a night worrying about these 8 spiders, desperately slapping at your bed, and even shining a light in your mouth to check for creepy crawlies before going to sleep. Well, there is some good news and some bad news.
Are you thinking about quitting your job, ending your marriage, or moving to another country? Well, if you are over the age of 40, then this might not be such a great idea. And in this video, I'm going to tell you why. But if you're under the age of 40, stick around because these 8 facts might just change your life forever. Fact number 1, most people regret more their dreams deferred than the dreams that they pursued and failed at.
Now, what did you think? It's impressive, isn't it? To think those 3 videos were produced purely just by me typing in a few keywords. That is literally all I had to do. It was frighteningly impressive how quick it put together each 5-minute long video. Is it the future? Is this the type of content we're going to see more on YouTube? Or is this the type of content that's ultimately going to kill the platform? What do you think? The line between reality is starting to blur, isn't it? It's just what's real and what's fake and what's AI generated. Is it a frightening world we're living in 2025? So there you go. I'll drop the links for what I've spoken about today. The AI video generator from CapCut, which is freaking insane, it has to be said. Whether that's right or wrong, I don't know. But we either moan about AI, we either say, I'll never get on board with that, or we harness it and we adopt it. And what do you think? It's a divisive subject. I'm going to get back into this beautiful 17th century hotel now, and I'll see you on my next video. Keep wondering and keep wondering. We can all be a little bit wiser-ish in life. Hiya, could I have a jug of water and 2 glasses, please? Just to take it to our room.
Of course, would you like ice in it?
Yes, please, that would be great. Thank you. Thanks.